All right, let me explain every part by part, so we can be in so it can be the YouTube video. Hold on, not even thinking. All right, so we got us a little Acer monitor, 180 hertz, 1440p, little monitor right here, 27 inches. Moving that last. We got a B650E motherboard right here. It's an Asus motherboard. We got a the H100X RGB Elite little CPU cooler. This is CPU cooler right here. DDR5 RAM. Feel me? This Corsair. We got a AMD Ryzen 5 7500F. Terabyte storage right here. The ticket right here for real. The 5070. 5070 right here. Revolution power supply. I don't know. I fuck with this power supply. It ain't never do me bad. I ain't never had no problems with it. It's fully modular, however you say it. Then we got this case, Musatex. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I just like it because it got the glass all around. Y'all see, like I'm done. Let's start opening this stuff, man. Let's start opening this stuff, man. I've been waiting for this. Hopefully this shit come with thermal paste, bro, because if not, then we're cooked, bro. Which I don't think it do, because I ain't see thermal paste in none of this stuff. See it? Fuck, I should just scrape the shit on my finger. Also, this dude got a little back plate on it. Alright. Look at that. You feel me? Let's take all the this shit off of it. Alright. Then, first thing you want to add is the CPU. You feel? This is the brain of the computer right here. It's small, but that motherfucker powerful though. Trust me. Put that in there. This felt like it was ready to break. Yeah. It's good. Alright. Next, go with the RAM. 32 gigabytes of RAM. 32 GB. Yeah. DDR5. Feel me? There we go. And then more to go. So you put it in there. It's not hard though. Shit really easy. Especially if you don't want to pay nobody to build your shit. Shit easy, man. Of course this is. Terabyte of space. I don't know what it's saying right here. It is screwed in that shit. Slip this in there. Get it in there like that. Then you want to remove this little tape right here. Throw that motherfucker back in there.
I got gold on my chains, my diamonds biting. I'm on some other shit. I get her no brain, I know what she like, and I tell her some crazy shit. I did my thing, it ain't no telling how much I've been bringing in. Go jump on a plane, go on wherever, you live for a basic bitch. Cause I got a bag and strappy and swag, I know how to make a flip. Go call what I grab, go fuck up your stash, my shit can take a hit. I be doing cause I'm falling hard, I feel like the brown.
See, glass all around.
She said that she love me, just matter on my
microwave. Or like mini fridge. Alright, we're about to put the motherboard in the PC. Can I fucking pause this damn music? So many fucking ads, man.
Virgin skeleton, feel like a veteran. I get down the door with a city in 11 years. I came with a 30 ounce of 40 bang after that. I can't wait to flex it.
Alright. We got that motherfucker in it. I'm talking about in it. I'm talking about in it. Alright, what's next? I think we should add the fans next. Okay, let's do the fans. Not even my bad, you named Russ. Alright. We about to plug the motherboard. I'm already plugged the PC case cords, like the buttons in the front of the PC case, into the motherboard. Yeah. Damn. If I post this shit, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing. Cause what? Yeah. Cause if we get in the bonus, the niggas really gonna fuck up. When I put my what was I rate? Oh yeah, that's what I was doing. So we got the motherboard in, we got the fans in, we got the CPU in there, got the RAM in there, feel me? And we got most of the shit plugged up in the bottom. Yeah. Oh, this where that screw dropped at. Looking for this shit. Stop talking shit, yo. Trash ass Wi-Fi you got. Yeah, DDR5. Hell yeah, DDR5. No, your Wi-Fi trash, nigga. Talk about somebody Wi-Fi some shit. No, your shit trash. Let me use one of these pillows. I need to put in this fan. That's what we really need to put in next. What if we would have... Ain't gonna lie, I don't feel like doing that shit. But we definitely could have had this in the end teeth. And then had these ones out teeth. Yeah. I don't feel like doing that shit, bro. I ain't gonna lie. I'll do that shit another day. Switch that motherfucker around. But I do need some more thermal piece. Helicopter, helicopter. Alright. Fuck, man.
Texas, dummy.
Tired of shit. We almost done. What time is it? Alright, we at 2:30. I'm ready to bust this shit up quick. Boom. 5070. You feel me?
Shut
You hear
your
me?
punk ass
Shut up, bitch. Shut up, bitch.
Damn, why'd you dragging on?
You so fucking whore. That's what you gotta understand, bro. Niggas don't be understanding that shit. Chat. This is the 5070 right here. Take game. Do a little update on the PC. Literally almost fucking done. Okay. Again. Fans. This the radiator. The air cooler. The water, whatever you want to call it. Water cooler, air cooler, I don't know. That's what it's called. GPU right here. We just put this in there, 5070. CPU cooler, CPU under there. RAM, fans, motherboard, and storage in there, but like you can't see that. God damn. Alright. Take these cords out. The only thing is that we got. Bro, I've been building this PC for the last. I'm 20. You hear me?
Hey, really? Damn. I wonder why I thought you niggas was way older than me.
Alright, last thing I got put in this damn PC.
Oh, you got a new PC?
Yeah, I'm building it on a stream right now.
Oh, let me go tune in.
Tune in, brother. All over my brain, buddy.
Once Ant and Victor and Biyama team up, oh my god, this game
Niggas just saying anything. Now next season, the Spurs gonna be something crazy. Now I'm telling y'all right now, the Spurs next season
for the Spurs,
is gonna be. No, you gonna fuck the team up. You some shit. Go. Yes.
Me?
Yes, nigga.
You crazy. You must ain't played with me in a minute, dummy.
Yeah.
We go hoop tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. We go hoop tomorrow.
Chat. We are done the fucking PC.
Finally done this week ass PC.
This bitch will fucking bomb your shit, man.
That's cat. I still got a Tourette note on the back of that bitch.
A Tourette? What the fuck is that?
Yeah. That's some shit that make you tweak out.
And I run up on me, I'm gonna trip out.
Warriors is ass, yo. They never gonna win again.
Ah, fuck, man. Let's plug this monitor in real quick. Let's open up the monitor. Pretty sure I put everything right there. Gotta hurry and join Dre Sheet 12. Oh, fuck no. What I said I'd be done in 3 hours. Right on time. Holy presidential perfect timing. Ah, god damn, this feel good to take a damn seat. We might could come back if Curry hit that 3 and he hit that motherfucker. We might could come back. 107 and 94. Don't ever give up on your team. Rule number 1, don't ever give up on your team. Chill. Nah. You cannot chill. I never give up on the Warriors. Feel me? We got Steven Adams at the line, bricking. Let's get, yo, I ain't gonna lie, these boys about to, they caught that motherfucker, but they about to piss me the fuck off. With all this damn tip board and shit. Put that in there. Baby girl. Let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. Why they take Curry out? He probably just saying, he probably just wrapping it up and saying they gonna get the dub. Unless he waiting for the why is you hiding behind the table? Nigga, I'm trying to plug this shit in. Boom. I don't even know if this bitch in right. But shit. Let's pray. Prayers up in the chat. Everybody put their 2 hands emoji in the motherfucking chat, man. Let's pray as this shit work. I haven't built a PC in like 4 years. But I still got that shit. Hold on. That bitch glowing up. Can y'all see that motherfucker? Bring it closer. Oh shit, that bitch gonna come with the thing. That bitch glowing up, chat. That's a good sign. Why the fuck the monitor not on though? There we go, monitor on. Alright. Moment of truth right here, bro. This bitch blew up, we dead. Oh, it's working. It's working. Let's go. I don't hear no beeps. The fans light up. I just gotta turn the lights on. I gotta download this shit, and the fans gonna light up. New CPU install FPM corrupt or new instruction change. Press Y to reset FPM if you have a bitlock or encrypted enable. The system will not boot without a recovery key. Press N to keep the previous FPM back and then continue the system. I gotta plug a keyboard into this motherfucker. But hey, then this motherfucker working. Work paid off. That was look crazy. And I did a good job hiding the cords too. You don't see too many cords in there. That was nice. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Oh my, yes, yes. Yes, yes. We sure can. We sure can. Feel me? Feel me? Fans on there. GPU, CPU. I need thermopixel. This bitch gonna blow up. Monitor right there. And this bitch for 3 hours. Look at this masterpiece. You said what? You want a what? Oh, being on TV. What you talking about? What you talking about, man? Hey, oh, you can't even see. Want me to turn my camera? All right, go ahead and look at it. The fan's gonna glow up too. I just gotta download the stuff.
Nerd.
I'm a nerd. I'm a real street nigga, Mike. We down by 20. Alright. Chat. It's been a good stream. Now, I do gotta end this stream to finish working on this shit. Feel me? Been a good ass little 3 hour, 40-minute stream building this fucking PC. Shit, man. The Warriors done fucking sold my night out. If the Warriors would have won, my night would have been completed. Now niggas want to play hard defense. Man, we better win this fucking next game, bro. Warriors in 7, my nigga. Warriors in 7. I got another keyboard in here? Check.
This is what they've done all season long. It's been a team that has so many contributors.
They take on the personality of their head coach, in my opinion. Ime Udoka, tough-minded, defensive-oriented. He's in that line with Jalen Green. That line just showed you. Jalen was 3 for 11, but he was doing enough other things that you talked about.
The Golden State Warriors is blowing me. Yes, bro. Yes, we literally had the game. We was down by fucking 2 points, my nigga. Fucking here, I need some food.
I mean, that takes some patience as a head coach.
It's amazing how people don't understand how long this process starts.
Less,
Alright.
alright. For me to,
When I look at young players, I'm often thinking I will judge you.
niggas talking about I could have did that shit in 30. That's so cat.
Cool as fuck. He get like a 9.
Warriors blowing my shit. Hey, bro. Everybody in the chat, bro.